The city of Toledo, Spain. Toledo is the capital de Toledo, provincia en España. Tiempo allí es muy caliente. Toledo es 73 kilómetros al sur de Madrid. Cultura es muy importante en Toledo. Toledo es un muy religioso ciudad. Toledo es un muy bonita ciudad. Rulers and conquerors. Toledo was first ruled by the Romans when they first conquered it in 198 BC. Then came the Visigoths, which had a short period of leadership, and then the Moors, who conquered most of Spain. But now it is ruled by the Christian Church and the new government. Madrid was named the capital in the early 17th century. This lost half the population in Toledo. Toledo lived into the 20th century, but during the Civil War, it was named a national monument. It was unharmed by any damage from the Civil War. This gained back most of its population. People may wonder what's so special about Toledo. Well, there's a lot of things special about it, but mainly religion, industry, tourism, and the Alcazar. With religion, there's three main churches in Toledo. There's the monastery of San Juan de los Reyes, the Toledo Cathedral, and the synagogue of El Transito. With industry, there's a really unique industry there. It's mainly metalwork, such as swords and shields and knives, which the tourists love. And there's a lot of tourism there because of how unique the architecture there is and just how beautiful the city is. Speaking of architecture, the Alcazar, which was once a Roman palace in the 3rd century, has a really unique Gothic style of architecture. Like I said earlier, religion is a very important topic in Toledo. They have three main churches: the monastery of San Juan de los Reyes, which is the picture to the far right, which is known for its Gothic architecture; the Cathedral of Toledo, which is the picture to the left of the monastery, is known for its artwork, which has two paintings by El Greco, the famous artist from Spain. The synagogue of El Transito is very famous because it was built in 1357, but when the Jews were expelled in 1492, the Christians took it over and made it a Christian church. But of course now it's back to being a Jewish synagogue. The geological setup of Toledo is strategically set up so that it is on a bluff surrounded in three sides by the Tagus River. The Romans were the first to conquer this bluff, and they had some pretty major bragging rights when they did.